Whether you're using it to grind up nuts, fruit, ice cubes, or any other ingredient, a useful blender is there to make food prep easy. Here at the ReviewTube channel, we've compiled some of the finest blenders from our research to bring you our top 5 blenders on the market today. So let's get started. At number 1 is the Ninja Foodie Power Blender and Processor System with Extractor 3-in-1 blender. This mighty blender is powerful enough to crush all kinds of ingredients, can process food, and make all kinds of doughs. Thanks to its smart torque technology, it can rise to any speed you need for it to go and not stall. Whether you choose to start slowly then increase the speed or to go full blast, it's your choice, and this blender will be able to handle it. The powerful 1200 watt motor can handle anything you throw at it and can handle the heaviest of loads without having to stir or shake the device, unlike regular older models. There are 5 amazing presets thanks to the Auto IQ program of the Ninja Foodie Power Blender. These are used for chopping, for dough, one-touch smoothies, bowls, and extractions. Speaking of extractions, this handy blender will extract the juices from any fruit or vegetable while still containing all the healthy vitamins and nutrients one needs for healthy living. This is due to the nutrient extraction cap that helps break down all the ingredients that you have for smoother extractions. You use them for frozen drinks, smoothies, or even lattes. It's very easy to clean and it's dishwasher safe. It includes its own cleaning brush to help with hand washing and its more delicate parts. It currently comes in silver and is 8 inches long, 8.5 inches wide, and 14 inches high. It includes the 1200 watt power dense motor, a 72 ounce power blender and processor pitcher, the total crushing and chopping blade, the dough blade, 24 ounce nutrient extraction cup with spout lid, and the previously mentioned cleaning brush. It also has a handy recipe guide to help you create some of the food that you can use with this product. At number 2 is the BLACKDECKER Quiet Blender with Silicone Glass Jar. This powerful blender promises to be more powerful than the regular ones by being far quieter. The product is specifically designed to lessen the noise generated by blending ingredients, making your food processing experience more pleasant. When it comes to performance, the BLACKDECKER Quiet Blender delivers superior technology that allows it to blend 30% faster than ordinary appliances. The 6-tip serrated blade technology combined with the Cyclone glass jar creates a vortex that allows the product to blend ingredients efficiently without breaking a sweat. There are 3 pre-programmed functions the blender can do, and thanks to the digital controls, you can quickly go from one mode to the other. One of them can make delicious smoothies, another makes delicious iced beverages, and the third allows for the creation of shakes. Thanks to its 900 watt motor, the 3 speeds and the pulse function, frozen fruit and ice are easily crushed. It currently comes in silver and black and it's 7.5 inches in diameter, 16 inches high, and has a cord storage allowing you to easily manage the electrical cord safely when not in use. The BLACKDECKER Quiet Blender also comes with a 24 ounce Triton personal jar, allowing you to bring your favorite freshly blended drinks with you. Cleanup's also a breeze thanks to the control panel that can simply be wiped clean, and the removable parts are all dishwasher safe. If you like the first 2 products on our list, you can find the links down below for more information. We also like to thank you for your continued support of our YouTube channel. If you're new here, please like this video and let us know if you want to see more just like these, and to be informed when our new videos get uploaded, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell icon. And now let's continue with our list. At number 3 is the NutriBullet Blender Combo with single-serve cups, 1000 watt. With this versatile blender, take your blending and food processing to the next level. The NutriBullet Blender is an incredible option whether you want to create smoothies, savory soups, beverages, and so much more. Effortlessly switch modes by simply switching between a large capacity pitcher or a single-serving cup. Looking for power? The 1000 watt motor base can handle even the hardiest of ingredients. Be in total control as you change between 2 precision speeds. Use the pulse function to stir and grind with control at your own pace and timing. Extract the juices of vegetables and fruit with the Extract program and create that healthy food and drink that you've been meaning to try. Whether you want multiple servings with the 56 ounce blender pitcher or just want it all for yourself, The NutriBullet single-serve cups allow you to share your creations however you want, fresh from the source. The product also comes with a lid, as well as a vented lid cap for blending in hot ingredients safely. It includes a handy tamper, keeping your fingers away from the spinning blades of the blender while being able to safely push the ingredient downward. The NutriBullet blender's pitchers and cups are made from durable plastics that are dishwasher safe and BPA free. The product even comes with its own user guide and a recipe book filled with great instructions and ideas for making the heartiest of meals and tastiest beverages. At number 4, we have the Hamilton Beach Wave Crusher 14-speed blender. Currently coming in a silver color, this multifunction blender only needs to give you the smoothest of blends and delicious results with the press of a button. One of the selling points of this handy multifunction blender is its wave action system. The wave action system forces mixtures down into the spinning blades, unlike other blenders that can leave the contents around the walls of the jar, frustrating users into having to use a spoon to pry them off and back into the center. Not with this blender, however. You can enjoy smooth results without the need for stirring. The blender uses ice saber blades, crushing ice effortlessly, making it ideal for cold drinks like shakes, smoothies, milkshakes, and more. At 700 watts of power, you can enjoy 14 blending functions, some of which are mixing, pureeing, dicing, crushing ice, and more. The 40-ounce glass jar is the best option when you're making a lot of food for parties or simply making a pitcher of beverages for a hot day out with the family. Enjoy easy pouring of all your smoothies and drinks thanks to the Easy Pour spout that's designed to eliminate any mess and drips. Storing this multifunctional blender is easy thanks to its cord storage. Simply put the cord in and properly store it when not in use. When you go beyond the conventional and explore all the options this blender can provide, the Hamilton Beach Wave Crusher Multifunction Blender is the product you need. If you found any of these products interesting and you'd like to have more information, check out the links down in the description box below. If you want to suggest some products in the comments section, our researchers will do their best to get their data into a future video. And to know when those videos appear, click the subscribe button and get notified when they go live. And now let's check out our final blender. At number 5 is the Oster One Touch 6-cup glass jar blender. This handy blender allows you to blend delicious, healthy drinks, spicy, tasty salsas, and so much more with an easy touch. The product uses an easy-to-use digital interface, making food processing easy, quick, and simple. With just one touch, you can use the convenient interface to activate the auto programs for creating smoothies, chopping foods, and 3 manual speeds, and the pulse function. The 700-watt motor can easily crush ice, vegetables, blend greens, and so much more, giving you a worry-free experience. The 4-point stainless steel blade is durable enough to handle even the toughest of ingredients. There are 6 different speeds to choose from in this powerful blender, and you can use the pulse function for additional control in blending and grinding. The food chop setting does exactly what it says on the tin, and thanks to the steel blade mentioned earlier, it'll process any and every ingredient, including frozen fruit, veggies, and meats. Select the smoothie option and open up yourself a world of creating delicious, creamy smoothies. The jar of the Oster One Touch blender is shatter resistant, making it very durable and giving you fewer things to worry about. It's dishwasher safe and easy to clean, and the base only needs to be wiped clean after every use. This product also comes with a 3-year satisfaction guarantee, ensuring that when you choose the Oster One Touch blender, you're picking high quality and you'll definitely last a long time. Well, that takes care of our list of the top 5 blenders. We hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, give us a like and share the video with those who you know might need some help. Remember, if you want to review a product in the future, just let us know in the comments section and our great team of researchers will get to work. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time right here at the ReviewTube channel.